A couple of weeks ago, we visited a Pileated Woodpecker family just before their young fledged, and it was such an unusual opportunity to observe these birds that all attention was fixed on them. Slowly I became aware of the voices of other woodpeckers, especially the chattery protests of a red-headed woodpecker in a tree directly overhead. The camera was set up behind that white Jeep next to a locust tree, which was not in very good shape. As you can see, some deadwood visible and the telltale fruiting bodies of fungi working within. A northern flicker female leaves the nest hole carrying a fecal sac, so there are young inside. Shortly the male arrives to tend the young, pausing to examine the intruder below. 10 feet above the flickers is another nest cavity which a male red-bellied woodpecker enters on a feeding visit. While he's inside, the female shows up carrying food and waits graciously for the male to leave. Then, high in the old locust, the red-headed woodpecker ducks into its hole, the third active woodpecker nest cavity in this tree. These birds raise questions. Did they hammer those holes into the live sapwood themselves, or did they have help from the pileated? Are their feeding habits so different they don't compete? Do they gain some advantage by breeding close together? And what is there about this decrepit locust that is so attractive to this cohort of carpenters?